my name is Teresa Kwan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a barbell squat. We are now in the month of January when the motto is New Year, New Me. We all want to be the best versions of ourselves. However, in order to accomplish this, we must accept that this is going to take time, dedication, and consistency. Today, I will be showing you one of the steps that can help us get closer to our goals of becoming the best versions of us. First, I will be showing you the correct form when trying to do a squat. So, when doing a squat, you want to look forward, chest is going to be up, core is going to be tight, feet are shoulder width apart. You can raise your hands up for balance. We're going to go down and up. If your balance is still a little bit on the shaky side, you can always do this on a chair. So same thing, arms up, feet shoulder width apart, chest straight, looking forward, down, up. We're just gonna tap the chair. There we go. So now that you have that down, I'm going to be showing you how to do a barbell squat. So there are two barbell placements. There's a high bar where the bar is above your shoulders, and there's a low bar where the barbell is around the upper middle back. So I'm going to be showing you how to do a high bar barbell squat today. Okay? I'm going to pick it up. As you can see, the barbell is above my shoulders and is about the same height as my neck. So, same idea. Looking forward, chest is up, core is tight, feet are shoulder width apart. Okay, we're going to go down and up. Okay, so when doing a squat, it's not just leg work, it is also core work, but it also does your quads, hams, and the glutes. So we're going to do this one more time. Looking straight, chest is up, core is tight, down, and then when you come back up, you want to exhale. Good. Start by doing body weight squats to get your body used to the movement. Once you can perform the movement correctly, start squatting with a barbell and get one step closer to the healthier you. When doing squats, we increase our strength, and that itself empowers us. Squats can also help us in our daily lives. For example, if we need to pick up a case of water bottles, instead of using our backs, we know how and that we should use our legs and our core. Squats are just one of the many steps that can help us achieve the goals that we have set for ourselves. I hope in my demonstration of how to do a barbell squat inspires you. Thank you.